Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Best of tayo na mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, Arjo! Maayong buntag mga kapuso ug welcome to Best Talk. Kadong buntaga ato na sab makauban ang Asia's pop sweetheart walay lain kundi si kapusong Julian San Jose. Maayong buntag, Miss Julie, and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for having me, and it's nice to be back. Kahit na work from home muna, quarantine, so syempre kailangan dito muna tayo sa bahay para mas safe. But it's nice to be back, and hello again. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much for accommodating us sa schedule mo. Syempre, last time from our previous interview, we've talked about your life no at present. But this morning naman, gusto naming ma-inspire sa kwento ng buhay mo, Miss Julie. From joining Popstar Kids, right, at 12, how did you work your way up hanggang maging Asia's pop sweetheart ka?
No, kasi actually, ever since talaga nung bata pa lang ako, kumakanta na talaga ako. And then yung lola ko, siya yung madalas na parang nagpapasali sa akin sa mga iba't ibang mga contests, mga parang beauty pageants, ganon, singing contests, ganon. And then parang siya talaga yung nag-persuade sa akin para maging isang singer na, yun, like, syempre, ito pa rin yung dreams ko. And then, yun, sakto, nagkaroon ng auditions ang Popstar Kids, and then I joined when I was, I think, 11, turning 12 that time. Tapos hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy na.
And you've been in this industry for, I don't know, counting 13 years ka na ba, Miss Julie? At patuloy ka pa rin patuloy ka pa rin gumagawa ng mga bagong kanta and different ways of entertaining people through your music. Ano yung mga tips mo naman para sa mga viewers natin ngayon who wanted to aspire to be someone like you as well?
Just be yourself. And lahat ng tao creative. So, may kanya-kanya tayong paraan para i-express ito. And huwag kayong matakot to explore, huwag kayong matakot to innovate yourself. Just always find it in your heart kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa inyo, kung ano yung sa tingin nyo na makakabuti for you, kung ano yung sa tingin nyo na magpapa-improve din sa sarili ninyo. And don't give up on your dreams. Kasi at the end of the day, dreams nyo yan eh. Tsaka kung ano talaga yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yun yung gawin mo. And what else? Hard work, patience. Kapag alam mong pinaghirapan mo eh. Tsaka ang fulfilling sobra, parang
right. Ito, of course, the pandemic, Miss Julie, is far from over. Message of hope and inspiration mo sa lahat ng ating kapuso Mindanaoans. And of course, please invite them also sa yung mga upcoming shows and all of your social media accounts.
Yes, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's at myjaps, MYJAPS. You can also follow me and like my Facebook fan page. It's myjaps official naman po yan. Verified naman po yung account ko sa Facebook. And then I also have a YouTube account. It's called Julian San Jose. Pero kung gusto niyo po malaman yung username ko, I would check po yung username ko. So, ayun po. And then, of course, All Out Sundays po. Every Sunday po yan. And then, what else? Pipito Manaloto. Every Saturday po yan. And, yes, malapit na po ang The Clash. So, sana po iabangan niyo po. Nako, sobrang daming pakulo. Sobrang excited po kami kasi, ayun nga po, parang it's been a year na din, no? Since yung last na The Clash, yung season 2. So, we're very, very, very excited kasi may bagong breed of singers na naman po ang GMA. So, ayun. I'm also excited to work again with Raver, with Christian, with Miss Ai, Miss Lani Misalucha, si Rita, tsaka si Ken. And dito po namin ipapakita kung yung potential talaga ng Filipino singers. So, nakaka-proud din po kasi ang dami-dami talaga mga talentadong Pinoy Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dagan kayo. Salamat, Julie. Kahit may pandemic ngayong 2020. So, 2020 is still a very busy year for you. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
And that was Kapusong Julian San Jose. Alang sa exclusive online drama, comedy ug musical online content, bisitahan lang mga kapuso ang www.gmanetwork.com/gets. There you'd find more entertaining videos featuring your favorite Kapuso stars. Tutok lang mo mga kapuso, kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.